So if you want to dedicate a song to your current financial situation, which one would it be?
आमदनी अठन्नी खर्चा रुपया.
Hi, I'm Garima and welcome to धन की बात by उत्कर्ष स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. आज हम जानेंगे कि इंडिया की जनता कितनी फाइनेंशियली जागरूक है. Are you ready? Let's go. How important do you think financial planning is in advance?
It definitely is important because keeping in mind all our personal goals, I think financial planning is one thing that can take us forward or backwards.
Depending on what your life goals are, whether it is to raise a family, educate your children, or if you want to live the happy single life, then you want to travel, you want to buy the fanciest cars. So yeah, either way that you look at it, it's really important.
Do you know about the 50-30-20 rule?
No.
No? Okay.
I have to ask my CA for that.
50-30-20 rule is 50 is your basic needs. The 30 goes for what you want, like your shopping, your hobbies, your movies. And 20 is savings, emergency funds, retirement funds, investments. So if I have to ask you to dedicate a song for your financial situation, what would it be?
I think I would have to think a lot about it. पटेल जेब सिल जाएगा जो चाहेगा मिल जाएगा.
Okay, to my financial situation or to my salary per se, I would say, गए तुम गए हो क्यों रात बाकी है बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
Actually, to be honest, there'll be a multitude of songs, but I think Golmaal Hai Sab Golmaal Hai, it's a song that applies to everyone, really.
So what is the most atrangi money saving tip that you have?
अतरंगी तो नहीं है कुछ, बट आई फील जहाँ सेव हो सकता है वहाँ सेव करना चाहिए. जैसे कैब की जगह वी कैन ईदर वॉक और यूज पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट. तो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग वी कैन डू.
I have to go for the traditional FD.
Honestly, mine is that I save money in some certain places that in case of emergency I have certain cash and then I forget about it.
What is your aspiration in the next 5 years? What are your financial goals?
Looking at the current government, I feel PSU is something I could invest if we talk about stock market, because it is a very growing sector. So that is what I am looking forward to.
So I feel I should at least have a 7-figure money in my account as a savings, excluding my assets and all of those. So that's the goal. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so now it's time for Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Dhan Ki Baat Rapid Fire. Are you ready? Would you rather buy stocks or bonds?
Stocks.
Spend first, invest first.
Spend first.
Emergency fund or investment fund?
Emergency fund.
Overtime or side hustle?
Overtime in what I do best.
Our rapid fire contestant, not very rapid fire, but good enough for now. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely talking with you. So that's it for today, guys. आज हमने देखा कि हम मिले काफी सारे फाइनेंशियली जागरूक लोगों से और एक दो थोड़े नहीं भी थे. ओके, बट मैंने कहीं सुना है कि मनी मूव्स फ्रॉम पीपल हु डू नॉट मैनेज टू दोज हु डू. और आजकल की दुनिया में ना मनी मैनेज करना उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितना कि अपनी हेल्थ को मैनेज करना. तो हैप्पी रहिए, हेल्दी रहिए और फाइनेंशियली जागरूक रहिए. बाय.